It's a lot of updates on this particular episode, but we have to because we got to cover our bases. I talked on the last episode about a leak on the OnePlus 7T and had some questions about the missing Pro version when that leak first came out. And of course, we are met the following day. What a leak strategy, Will. You leak the one, you leak the other. You schedule the leaks. You leak it like that. You see how that goes? And you get the articles twice in a row, and then you get on this show twice in a row. So shout out to OnLeaks for 2 shows in a row showcasing the 7T Pro leak. And of course, it's got to be there. You can't drop the Pro version. You work so hard on this retracting camera, impossible screen to body ratio. You can't let that go. And so there's going to be a McLaren edition as well, according to this leak. Otherwise, internally, maybe a bit of a spec bump on the battery capacity and also slightly quicker charging. That's what the McLaren version's been about. Now, the other thing you get on the McLaren version is this kind of carbon fiber pattern going on the backside, as well as this very slight orange hue that we spoke about when we unboxed the 6T McLaren. Was it the 6T McLaren? Was the last one we did? Yeah, 6T McLaren. And it's a subtle, as far as special editions are concerned, it's a subtle little touch. And I appreciated it alongside with what at the time was impossibly quick charging. Chances are they're going to go the same direction on this one. A warp charge 30T charging mode. So is that 30-watt warp charge? It's probably going to be one of the fastest charging devices out there. They're going to make a big deal of it with the McLaren name, pretend it's a fast car. That's how these things work.